Welcome to the world of learning with Aiko. This guide will walk you through setting up Aiko for use at your home. Before you start, let's go over some basics. Here we have a brand new Aiko that just arrived, ready to be unboxed. It's super simple. Reading material and extra information, we'll set that aside for now. This is super important. Make sure to use the charger that came with your Aiko to make sure that she charges properly. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this big handle. The front will have a hole in it where you can actually put your fingers through to help assist pushing Aiko out of the styrofoam. And the back is solid. Now that Aiko is out of the box, all you have to do is connect the charging cable to Aiko and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Aiko's screen will light up to show it's charging. Once Aiko is fully charged, press the power button on its head. Now, all you have to do is connect Aiko to Wi-Fi. To ensure Aiko is always up to date and ready to go, let's connect it to your Wi-Fi network. First, swipe down from the top screen to open the settings menu.
Press and hold the Wi-Fi icon.
Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Aiko is now connected to Wi-Fi and will automatically connect to this network in the future.
For children to use Aiko, parents need an account, and each child needs a profile. First, we'll set up the parent's account in the Aiko Family app. After your Aiko boots up, a unique QR code will appear on your Aiko screen. Scan your unique QR code to sign up and create an account. If your unique QR code is not working for some reason, scan this QR code here in the video to open the Aiko Family app manually. From here, choose your preferred language at the top, and then click on Sign Up at the bottom.
Here, the parent should enter their email address, full name, and choose a password.
After pressing Sign Up, you'll receive an email with the confirmation code.
Type that confirmation code here,
and then you will be greeted with a message asking you to set up your child's profile.
Enter your child's full name and then your child's birthday, which is used for adaptive learning. Now, select a photo for your child's profile that will be displayed on Aiko. Next, please take a moment to review the parent consent form, which ensures your child's experience is safe, secure, and tailored to their needs. Finally, click on Create Profile. If needed, you're able to make changes to the child's profile after this step, so no worries. After a parent adds their child's profile, it's time to confirm everything is linked correctly on Aiko. First, turn on Aiko. The application should automatically load and show available profiles. Swipe through the profile list to make sure all children's profiles appear on Aiko's screen. Allow up to 10 minutes for Aiko to refresh. If after 10 minutes you still don't see the child's profile pictures, try restarting the A2G Robot app to force a refresh. First, scroll down on Aiko's screen. Next, tap the menu icon on the right to go to the home screen. Locate the A2G Robot app. Next, long press on the app icon. Tap App Info. Tap Force Stop. Press OK. Now let's exit out by pressing the back arrow button on the top left and click again on the A2G app icon. This will reopen the app and the profiles should now appear. Your child can now learn and have fun with Aiko at home. Encourage them to spend more time with Aiko, practicing, exploring, and having fun. There you go! Now you can pick the right picture and have fun with Aiko. Interacting with Aiko is easy. There are 6 sensors, 3 on the head, 1 on each hand, and 1 on the belly. To activate them, simply use your palm or open hand. Aiko's LED lights change colors depending on the activity, and sometimes Aiko will ask for a specific color or sensor, like the right hand or belly, to make learning even more exciting. To ensure safe use and longevity of Aiko, please follow these important safety guidelines. 1. Make sure to use ICO on the floor or other stable surfaces. 2. Do not shake, throw, or drop ICO. 3. Keep liquids and cords out of children's reach. 4. Clean ICO only using a dry cloth. And 5. Only adults should lift or move ICO. If you encounter any issues with ICO, follow these simple troubleshooting steps to get things back on track. If your QR code is not scanning, restart ICO or manually enter the robot ID into the ICO Family app. If ICO is completely unresponsive, hold down the power button on the head for 10 seconds to reboot. If Wi-Fi is not connecting, verify your signal strength, try restarting ICO, and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. For additional assistance and resources, scan the following QR code for more video tutorials or contact our support team directly at support@curiosity-robotics.com.